Alright guys, we have to install Unichip on these three cars. Let's see if we can do it or not. The challenge is we have to do it in one day.
Three armored Toyota Revos, each built for power, protection, and performance. When a vehicle gets armored, it gains weight, a lot of it. That extra protection means extra load on the engine. Performance drops, acceleration slows, and fuel efficiency takes a hit. That's where Unichip comes in. But here's the challenge. We're not doing just one installation, not two. We've got three armored Revos and only one day to finish them all. Precision, teamwork, and speed. Every second counts. Each Unichip is carefully installed, calibrated, and tested to deliver maximum performance without compromising reliability. These armored Revos are no longer just protected. They are ready to move, ready to respond, ready for whatever comes next. And just like that, all three Unichip installation completed in a single day.